Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Tuesday, the 13th of September. Pretty warm day for this time of the year, but we are looking at cooler temperatures by the end of the week and the weekend. We'll check the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. The sky mostly sunny in Gadsden. Coming from the Skycam up on Lookout Mountain, not too far from Nakalula Falls. Temperatures are there in the mid to upper 80s, but some spots are at 90 today. That's the Jasper Skycam up in Walker County. And from Demopolis. Wouldn't be a bad day to be out there in that water. The Tom Bigby River. That's from the Demopolis Civic Center. On the left, those trees are in Marengo County. On the right, those trees are in Sumter County. Here's the water vapor satellite shot. Very cool air coming down the pike up north. Look at that vortex over Hudson Bay. We'll keep an eye on that cool air and see if any of that can make it down here. Here's a look at our numbers at 2 o'clock. Tuscaloosa, the hot spot. What's new about that? They usually are. 91 there. Gadsden, 84. Birmingham, 88. Look for similar heat levels tomorrow. And around the nation, goodness, is hot in Texas again. Look at Dallas-Fort Worth. They're sitting at, 104 degrees at 2 o'clock. Readings around here are generally in the, again, upper 80s and some spots touching 90. There's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Slight risk of severe weather way up in the northeast, interior parts of New York, and the upper part of Vermont. And on day 2, the old C-text, that's standard convection with a cold front coming in. And there's a look at the actual probabilities, those low end 5% probabilities of severe weather from really Huntsville and Muscle Shoals all the way to Lubbock and Amarillo and also northeast of here. And again, we're thinking it might be tomorrow night if we see anything with that cold front and Thursday. We'll check the QPF chart. This is the rain across the country for the next 5 days. Pick out your spot on the map, see how you're doing. And obviously for our state, the rain numbers are coming down. In fact, for a pretty good chunk of the state, we've now got the amounts down to just a trace with the better totals to the east and to the west. And that might be right, as this latest batch of model runs don't look really all that wet for Thursday and Friday. Tropical weather, no changes. Maria, the only system on the board. Tropical storm north of Hispaniola. Little wave coming off the coast of Africa, but not organized. Here's a look at Maria. Top winds estimated to be 50 miles per hour, moving north-northwest. At only 3, it's just not moving much. But it should begin to move, and we'll have a northward motion. The recurve is expected to be west of Bermuda, well east of the United States, and it should stay a tropical storm for the rest of its lifetime. And other than that, things are pretty quiet. So we'll check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. I like to see that trough digging down into the Great Lakes and at the surface. Look at those thickness values coming down. And yeah, we're talking a chance of light snow for parts of the upper peninsula of Michigan, the Arrowhead of Minnesota, places like Duluth. Could see a bit of snow there. Isn't that exciting? That's a sign of the times. And again, the cold front is north of us. You can see a band of showers and storms. Some of those might try and ease down in here tomorrow night. And then Thursday, really the model wants to bring in drier continental air during the day with a better chance of rain shifting on down to the south. The guidance coming in cooler. The high Thursday is 82 on the GFS, so this run is faster with the front. So really, this is suggesting the main window could be from midnight tomorrow night until noon on Thursday for a shower or storm. Here's a look at Friday. We go dry. If this is right, we can take out the chance of rain, and it's going to be very nice. The high only around 80, maybe 70s in spots. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, again, looking awfully dry and very comfortable. That's continental air getting in here. Highs only in the upper 70s. The GFS is showing 78. We should start the day in the 50s. And Sunday looks good, mostly sunny with a high close to 80. So really, I think based on the later trends here, we can almost take out the chance of rain Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and go with the main chance of showers late tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Monday of next week, westerlies have shifted north, and that looks warmer and dry. Low 80s, nothing too bad for this time of the year. Tuesday, got a cold front coming in here. We'll see if that can push in here. A band of showers there from near Detroit down to Little Rock, and Dallas-Fort Worth. And the following day, on Wednesday of next week, this run kind of shows it dying out before getting in here. So we'll see. Other runs have shown a good push and a good shot of cooler air for the end of next week, but this run's saying, cold front might not make it. Check the end of the forecast on the 29th. Much of the nation with light and variable winds aloft. As the primary jet is up in Canada, and that looks warm and pretty dry, and some kind of tropical mumbo-jumbo down there just below Miami. But as we all know, out at this range, nothing but pure voodoo out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, don't forget to watch us on TV tonight. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.